This is work for today. That one. Cover the whole little hole there. The water go inside the room. So need to cover over there. That's it for today. Next is here to block the water. The entrance door. That. And then put tiles or maybe this, I don't know. So that one. To block the water from the road going here. Ay, tangan na naman tayo. Sige. Wapa na siya. Ginana din.
Sumpor mga pagkain kauban yung batik niya.
Ay, di na pa. Tiles. There's a tiles here. Too dark. So no tiles. Simple like this. Almost done repairing hole. So no more leaking down the room. And you can do plaster too. Done. It's already done. Plaster going there, over there, and here also put cement to cover the hole. That's it. Finish here. So that our front our house. So just look like. Water coming. There's also there's a tiles. Junk shop. I pay including that 390. This is the rebar. Only that tall rebar like that. No long rebar. Over the whole. Rebuild the floor.
Makan na lagi ni Reza, pwede mo membuat pa ng lababo sa bahay.
Asa? Nya nagmagkalsada ni, masiminto na. Minto ni di.
Tubangan nila?
Butangan ako ng panggira di.
Tubangan?
Pwede sila maglisod. Pero okay naman sila po. Madalaga mo di. Ha? Lisod? They're not finished yet. And also here. Because the roof rose. The roof destroyed. There is no nails. Isara man na ada. Wala da dong.
Ha?
Isara.
Sarap. Mau deh, tutur-tutur lang sana na.
Sa mo itong lasanga, kuan magka. Kulurop. Ini si final already. Akoy-koy. Like buaya. Linog, nadungog baya dito. Nga. Ikaw wala ra po taon. Kaloyan po sa Ginoo nga. Kuara, gidenduya ra mi kadyot. Hawa pa mader ay. Taas pa kay proseso. Maigsoon, di masugot. Ito ra to siya mader ay kay masakiton. Nga, may dito kay unay og tambal dito. Libre tanan. Finish, oh, finish. Oh, I move just slow because you said you can see. This is done, krong. Finish. So that race side, there's already a screen, and here too, and that one here. I will go closer. So this, there's already screen, there's already screen there, and here. Only that, no. Need to extension over there. Extension, and then ala no di mingon siya nga dili. Sing namo tanan kung sa man diha muni mo na ana di. Sumpay pud siya nga. This is the door. Not finished yet, boss. This is the door. That one is door. Put there. Almost done, Rusty Mansion. Rusty Mansion, boss. Almost done. picture. It's only the little extension, not so big because there is no more, what you call this one? Screen. So, this one, the extension, is pile hollow block here, and there, and over there too, and there, and then no ceiling. This is only the extension, just little extension, and then pile hollow block here, pile hollow block there, and also there, and then here just soil. I don't want to flooring, I want soil here. So Rusty, if you want poo-poo, here, and then you put bed here, Rusty, and that's the floor, and the bed here, this side. Kulang pa galublock dong?
Bakto na magtayo ba?
Ha?
Bakto na magtayo ba?
Na, mago dito, product ko.
Ito isa lang kabog eh.
Sa kabogdak ko.
Dali ka nang lumipong mo ka.
This is Rusty bed, a Rusty door, and this is the extension. It's look better now. This is Rusty Mansion.
Ito, sila ito.
This is Rusty Mansion, boss. There's a door here like that. You open and then I go in. In ako. So this one is the door. So this is his bed. So that's his bed. And then here is soil. So if you want to poo-poo here,